In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship using Shopify. Dropshipping lets you sell online without storing inventory. Your supplier ships orders directly to customers, while your Shopify store handles the shopping experience and the app you install manages the back end. Start by opening your Shopify Admin and heading to your store's home. From the left sidebar, click Apps. This area is where you extend Shopify, and for dropshipping, it's how you connect tools that import products and automate fulfillment. On the Apps page, choose All Recommended Apps to see trusted options. Then select Shopify App Store to open the full catalog. You'll land on a dedicated page where you can browse categories, compare ratings, and quickly scan pricing and key features. In the App Store search bar, type Dropshipping. This keyword pulls up dedicated dropshipping tools covering different suppliers, regions, and product types. So keep your niche and target markets in mind as you review results. Pick the app you want to install. Before installing, read the overview, reviews, and plan details. Prioritize clear shipping timelines, product quality controls, automatic order routing, and tracking updates. Confirm it supports your selling regions and, if offered, start with a free trial. When ready, click Install and approve the permissions so the app can connect to your store. After installation, add products and set your profit margin. Most apps let you import items with a click, then edit titles, descriptions, images, and variants before publishing. For pricing, start from supplier cost and add a margin that comfortably covers app fees, shipping, taxes, and advertising. Many apps include pricing rules so you can apply consistent markups automatically. Double-check currency, shipping profiles, and inventory sync so stock and pricing stay accurate. If bulk import is available, begin with a small batch so you can refine content, organize products into collections, and add delivery estimates that match supplier timelines. That's the flow from admin to app to products and pricing. Follow your chosen app's onboarding for any final setup, and you'll be ready to list items confidently and start accepting orders with a lean, scalable dropshipping operation on Shopify.